won't be long. La 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 la. Give me a bum bum. Raindrops keep falling on my head. And I love to paint watercolors like a crazy guy. I love watercolors, and I hope I go and paint watercolor. Don't care if it rains or if it's sunny, because I'm not aware of my body. We go.
Oh, wow, it's much more better.
Much better. I love your accent, mate. I got a bit of an accent, but you got a little bit more.
Maybe you can talk with building?
Okay, we go. That's a work of art in 7 minutes. Just amazing. Alvaro is just an amazing guy. He's an amazing guy. Rainy day, sunny day, boats. You name it. What is the painting you want? What is the painting you want? What is the painting you want? Alvaro deliver. I have some doubt, but now I come to turn. I have to realize the guy knows what he's doing, because he's a pretty. No, not pretty. Not pretty. He's not pretty. He's actually ugly, and ugly.
Just
There you are.
repeat please about the pretty, because I'm
No, that was a
pretty
mistake.
is
Bad. We are here to make lions. Well, listen, guys, we got another piece of paper, so we can do something on the arcade, and then you paint, and then we have. Okay, we take this as an anecdotic.